Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. IFTA. Select IFTA from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the IFTA page. There is your driver's mileage based on odometer readings at points where the vehicle crossed boundaries of a jurisdiction, which can be a state, province, or territory. The International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, was made to simplify the reporting of fuel while crossing jurisdictions. At the top of the page, toggle between Overview, which breaks down mileage per quarter, and Trips, which breaks down mileage per trip. At the top of the Overview tab is a Download button that downloads the mileage information for the selected quarter. Select it, and you will receive a zip file that contains the Excel files you need. These trip reports are provided to assist carriers in IFTA reporting, but do not replace the need for carriers to track mileage and fuel purchases independently. Carriers are responsible for filing their IFTA reports, tracking their mileage, and making payments. On the Trips tab, search for specific vehicles, sort by quarter, and sort by jurisdiction. Select a specific trip on the list to see more information about it. At the bottom of the page, you will see the trip on a map. Return to the IFTA page by selecting IFTA in the upper left. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.